I did not know how to love you with all my heart, O YaHUaH, until you revealed it to me, until you restored what was broken within me. Blessed are you, YaHUaH, my salvation, who circumcised my heart and taught me how to love. Besides you, there is no Savior. Almighty One, supreme authority, who establishes order and sustains life through covenant power. Thank you for reordering what was within me, so I could love you rightly and walk in shalom and ʀᴇsᴛᴏ. Abba, you have set your Melech upon your Kadosh mountain. You came down as Mashiach to redeem me by your strength. Now I remain in you, and you in me. Keeping your word has done this for me. It has aligned me with your steadfastness. And when I heard your voice in the cool of the day, my being found a place where it could safely draw near. Your loving chesed shall I declare, for you make known to me the path of life. You are the one who gathered me with your arm, washed me with living mind, and my heart overflowed, for through you I am made clean. O Mashiach, you stood in the majesty of the name of YaHUaH, the powerful one, yet you humbled yourself to wash my feet, as one who belongs to you, and you served as the chosen one, in whom your soul delights, whom he upholds. O Yah, in your presence there is fullness of joy. Love overflowed, and to you all esteem belongs, for you clothed me with garments of salvation and wrapped me in a robe of righteousness. YaHUaH, through Mashiach, you have fed your flock in strength, and your greatness has reached the ends of the earth. And now we dwell securely in you.
Beyond these walls is where my heart lies. As I walk, help me to overflow in love, for love.
And having been washed by your living mind, you caused me to see the one whom you anointed. Now I draw near, that through Mashiach you might set me apart. You anointed YaHUSHA with the oil of gladness above all others. You placed all authority into his hands. Through him you established peace, for this one has become our shalom. After he offered one sacrifice for sins forever, he sat down at your right hand. It pleased you that all fullness should dwell in him, and through him you reconciled all things to yourself. Through your anointed one, you brought light where I once walked without understanding. You crowned him with glory and honor, and made him the righteous branch who reigns and prospers, for he himself is our shalom.
Tear down these walls we built with our lives. That I would walk, that I would overflow to be loved and to love.
And through the authority you have given YaHUSHA, you have brought me nearer, no longer standing afar, but you established my life in your presence. You have become my dwelling place, my refuge in every season of my life. You have hidden my life in Mashiach, in you. You have caused me to abide under the shadow of the Almighty. You cover me in your faithfulness as a shield. You have become my refuge and my strong tower. Because of YaHUSHA, I am no longer far off, but brought near. Because you draw me near, my heart has found rest in you. You have made a place for me in your presence, and there my soul has learned shalom. You have taught me to remain in Him, and as I remain, your life remains in me. You have established my step in your covenant and caused me to walk in your ways. I am yours, and you are my Elohim. You have become my dwelling place and my peace. In you, my heart has found its portion forever. YaHUaH shall reign forever and ever, for salvation belongs to you. O YaHUaH, you restored my heart. And now my life rests in your ahavah. Let your love overflow through me, that I might love as you have loved me, for we are yours, Selah.